Very excited today. Karen's new mine wagon is being collected. Loaded up.
Oh, you did, you? Oh, yes. I've got newspaper cutting, so have you? Yeah.
Gonna get it through there somehow. It's in position. It's like a proper thing.
Could be a big old lump there, isn't it?
Very happy.
We don't want video, we want photo. Here we go. Now we're something like it. We got the shot that.
Now not to look awkward in a
Lovely.
photo.
Yes. All right.
Yeah, go for it.
We're gonna give it a bit of a clean up. You're like new again soon. Look at that.
It's Sunday, we better.
So day one complete of Operation All Wagon. Karen and Gordon have been on this all day. A mighty fine job. Lovely. So into this bit next. Needs a bit of work. That's rotten. Anyway, can get that looking like that. Okay, day two. Just prep that side. As you can see, come up alright that. It's a shitty job though. This here. See the nipples now, who are alright, this side next. Right. That's the chassis cleaned up, added the underneath. Can't see what that says there, but roll so. Alright, Karen's going to give this underside a coat of paint. So I missed a bit there, I'll do that now. Progress. Looking lovely, isn't it? Look at that. You or the wagon. It's lovely, doesn't it? It does look good, in fairness. Get in there. Right, this is finished, inside and out. There's a little bit of a clean. This is done too. Just need to get the two things together and put them on my base. It does look nice, that, actually. It's the home for the wagon. Right, got this finished. Looking lovely. Dog nails and everything. It's now ready to get the wagon on it. Happy days. Right, got that on there, look. She's a beauty. Final coat of paint. Just need about 6 people to lift the tub onto it. Should be alright. Today's our happy day. We have got this thing finished. Look at that. Lovely. Took 5 lads to lift that on. That tub weighs like well over 100 kilos. And I couldn't do it on my own. So the lads from the site came up and did it. There's some new little thing I built up. Doesn't work, obviously. Yes, so the wagon is finished. Hallelujah, happy days.